Hello, this is the third part and finish that the story about helping hands, okay? And you need to write the date, August 2020, topic helping hands, page 35, 36, activity answer questions. I copy you, please copy the questions, page 35. Why does Janet open the window? And page 36. Does Janet get her bath? Okay, continue with the story.
Cousin Joe.
Janet goes to see her cousin Joe. The cousin, yes, no es uncle, cousin, el primo, cousin Joe.
Joe is a baker.
Joe is a baker, okay, baker. Joe is making bread.
Joe is making bread. There is a mountain of flour on the table.
There is a mound of flour on the table. Okay, hay una montaña gigante de harina on the table.
I want to get my helping hands badge.
I want to get my helping hands badge, Jane explained. Okay,
Janet explains. Can I help you?
can I help you? And he answered, sure, you can help me make bread. Cousin Joe tells her.
Sure. You can help me make bread, Cousin Joe tells her. It is very hot in the bakery.
Okay, oh my God, it is very hot and in the bakery. It's a hot, a lot. Okay. James
Janet opens a window.
opened the window.
The wind blows all the flour around the room.
Oh my God. She opened the window and the wind blow the flour around the room. Okay.
It is like a snowstorm.
It is like a snowstorm, como una tormenta de nieve. Okay.
Oops,
Oops,
says Janet.
said Janet.
Janet still doesn't have any signatures on her form.
Janet still doesn't have any signatures on her form. Nadie le ha firmado a ella su formato para que ella se pueda ganar su insignia, ¿ok? Janet still doesn't have any signature on her form.
She goes into the community center.
She goes into the community center, okay? In the community center.
The senior citizens meet there twice a week.
The senior, oh my God, it's very fast.
Form. She goes into the community center. The senior citizens meet there.
The senior citizens meet there twice a week. Ellos van dos veces, twice a week. Twice es dos. Dos veces, twice a week. Van dos veces a la semana.
Twice a week. Can I help you? She asked them.
Can I help you? She asked them. Okay? She asked them. Can I help you?
Yes, you can, says Mr. Jacobs.
Yes, you can, say Mr. Jacobs. Yes, you can.
The TV is broken and we're bored.
Okay, the TV is broken. Se dañó, the TV is broken. And we are bored. Están aburridos because they don't have TV.
Janet tells all the people about her day trying to help people.
Janet tells all the people about her day trying to help people. Okay? Janet tells, les cuenta a todos or all people about her day, su día, tratando to help the people. Look, the raccoon, the dog, the truck, all the stories, okay? And they all loud very much, loud very much with the story. Okay, continue.
Thank you, they tell her.
Thank you. Wait for me. Sometimes it's very fast. Thank you, they tell her. You have made us very happy. You have made us, nos has hecho muy felices with the story.
You have made us very happy. And they all sign her form.
And they all sang her form. Todos firmaron, sang her form, su formato. Okay? Okay, my students, and now you need please to answer the question about the last page. Okay? Look that, miremoslas like this. Wait for me. These questions. Okay, you need to answer. Why does Janet open the window? Why? Este va aquí, pero bueno, okay. Why? ¿Por qué? She opened the window. And 36. Does Janet get her baths? Yes or no? Here. Yes. No. Yes, she doesn't. Or no, she doesn't. Or only you. Yes or no? Okay, my students, this is the activity for today. Bye. See you.